Guys, look at this. I can't believe it. Look, there's so many eyes. Look, so many eyes. What the hell? I can't believe it. Can't believe it. Guys, I don't know what the hell. But look, on the roof too. Even on the car. My car is a Samsung. So that even a dog cannot come out here on the rain because could. I'm so glad that we cannot put the cat outside to play with his friends. My cat Broly has a friend. It lives like I don't know, like at that house. I think that house was the Kia over there. Oh, I have a baseball bat. Someone gave it to me on 2019. Dude, look at this. Look, it's gonna be ending inundation again, like in 2021. I wonder why. I wonder why a tornado is not appearing, because I want to touch one ice though. Even the garden. Look at this. It was raining so much. Look. Oh no! That one. Look. Even at that house too. Even at mine. No. Even at mine too. Look. Even at mine. Look. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, this is really strange. It's gonna rain until Sunday. Oh my god, it's gonna rain until Sunday. Dude, what is all this? I've never seen that before in my life. Dude. Oh no. Dude, it was raining so fast. I think the water's going down the drain. Dude, what the hell? Guys, imagine a car would slip over my dad's car. No. I can't stop imagining. Look, the house is full of snow. Snow. Why is there so much snow? It's like snow, but it's actually ice. Oh my god. So many ice. Oh. Whew. Look over there too. On my friend's one house too. Look, this lady is like snow over there too, and everybody's house is still. It's getting sunny now, so that means the rain is gonna dry, and the ice is gonna melt. I don't know, but a spider! Oh my god, that was a good spider. Oh.